Hello guys, I built this Uncharted set. Now this does not involve anything close to the game besides one thing, but I don't know how the game's gonna work. It's not coming out till next week. Yes, next week on Tuesday. And so I just want to show you this cool thing. It's basically my Uncharted 4 thing, but in Star Wars. Besides, Batman's over there, and Robin's just like right here, smiling. And yeah, so this is who I put as Nathan Drake. He's right here onto the side, and his brother is supposed to be right here. He's fallen down. There's just a random stormtrooper falling down. Then there's the guy who's after the coin. So you can see the white thing in his hand. See. Design. Then so basically, if you see the commercial, you can notice that a lot of things are just like falling down. And Batman, he's right over here trying to save this guy. Like I don't even think it's part of the thing. Be something really cool. They froze him, but then also he woke up, and now he's like right there in the thing. And Batman got to try and help him. Well, it's just falling down, and Nathan Drake basically just one of his brother. And yeah, there's just people on the ground.